Good morning, beautiful people. I hope you all have been well. I have just gotten over another cold flu fever thingy that I picked up from my trip to LA, and now I'm just catching up on videos. I was on such a good roll before getting sick. I was posting twice a week, and now I'm back today. In good old Liesel fashion, today I will be cooking chicken adobo. Something different about this cooking video is that I will be talking because I got a new microphone. And if you are my boyfriend watching this, no, I did not buy the new expensive microphone that I told you I wouldn't buy until I paid off my card. Technically, I think I have everything I need from the grocery store, but I am missing a couple of things. Let's go grocery shopping. The main ingredients in the chicken adobo that I'm cooking today are chicken thighs, which are defrosting oh so slowly in the kitchen sink, potatoes, brown sugar, garlic, vinegar, and black pepper, because I do not like these crazy evil peppercorns. If you know, you know. I'm gonna go upstairs and change and be right back. Okay, let's go. I will say it is a bit tricky trying to film in public, only because I obviously don't want to be kicked out of places, but I'm also trying to branch out more. I'm just trying. I really shouldn't have gone to the store hungry, because now I want to buy everything on this shelf. Hey there! A couple hours later and a couple 17 videos later, I am now in the mood to actually want to feed myself. I am going to put my hair up. Let's go ahead and get started. The chicken has defrosted. We're also gonna get potatoes, soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, garlic, and we're gonna try doing it in one pot. Get your chicken, get your pot, your pan, whatever you want to cook on. Let's go ahead and warm up the oven top. You're gonna be putting all your chicken thighs skin down with the bone side up. Y'all ready for this? Head and flip it. Then we're gonna add some soy sauce. We're gonna toss in that garlic. Here is that grounded peppercorn, because we do not like these balls. So we're also gonna throw in some light brown sugar. It's not a Filipino dish unless there's some sweetness to it. We're gonna also add some vinegar. Let the meat soak up in all of this goodness. Naked potato in 3, 2, and ta-da! Oh, now we got a little too much. Ta-da!
17 right here.